The last question of your mock exam is about coordinate geometry, and then this is very difficult. In order to solve this kind of question, you must draw clearly what are their relation. Otherwise, you have no idea how to solve the problem. First, there is a triangle, and then a circumcenter. So maybe it's like this: PQR. And then P is moving point, so it's not fixed. Maybe slide along this line, and then we have a center which is G. This is called the circumcenter. And then they say that Q is 6, 9, R is A11, G is H3. So a very important thing about the circumcenter is it is the perpendicular. How can you find that out? Is by the perpendicular bisector of the lines. So one of the edges, the perpendicular bisector pass through the circumcenter. The same here, but it's make the graph more complicated, so I just draw this part. And this gives some relation between A and H. It's because they are perpendicular bisector. G, this point, maybe I let it be H. GH is perpendicular bisector of QR. So this gives us some relation, then we can form an equation. That's why we can express H in terms of A. So H here, it is A plus 6 divided by 2, and then 9 plus 11 divided by 2 is 10. And then what we want to write is MGH times MQR should equal to -1 because they are perpendicular. So GH, it is 10 minus maybe 3 minus 10, and then H minus A plus 6 over 2, and then multiply this 1, 2, and then A minus 6 is equal to -1. So -14, and then H minus A plus 6 over 2, A minus 6. I don't like this fraction, so both sides times 2 first. So that's why 28 is become 1, and then this one is 2H minus A plus 6. And then 28 is equal to 2H times A minus 6 minus A plus 6 times A minus 6. So A squared minus 8, and then this is so after that, don't forget that our answer is required to express the coordinate of G in terms of A. So just H is not enough. You have to write down G. It is A squared minus 8 over 2A minus 6, and then the Y coordinate is 3. So that's how you finish part A.